Student of class 10th. Yesterday I have taught you about tangent of the circle. Now we are going to prove theorem first of this chapter. So the statement of this theorem is a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Dear student, to understand this theorem, we have to understand some things separately. Let's see at this board. Let AB is a line segment and P is a external point on this line. Now we draw a line from P to this line, PQ1, and other line PQ2, PQ3, PQ. So you have got that this line is largest line when we draw this line from P Q2. This line is shortest in comparison of this line, and this line also shortest in comparison of this line. Gradually we come our left side at one stage. It will be perpendicular. This line will be perpendicular at AB, and this line will be shortest line. So we have come to know that the largest line make a smaller angle. When this line becomes short, so angle become big. After this angle is greater than this angle, and at a stage this line will be shortest and angle will be 90 degree. So we have come to know the shortest line from a point at any line segment become an angle of 90 degree. So this theorem is based upon this theory. So first we have drawn a circle and we draw a tangent MN at the point of contact P. P is a point of contact. So given a circle with center O, O is center and OP is radius. MN is a tangent line. MN is a tangent line to the circle at the point P. To prove OP perpendicular MN. OP perpendicular MN. Construction. Let Q be any point. This Q. Let Q be any point other than P on MN and join OQ. Now we will prove this theorem. Since Q lie in the exterior of circle, so OQ is greater than OP, because this is the Q lie exterior part. Thus all of the segment that can be drawn from the center O, we can draw many segments. So all of the segment that can be drawn from the center O to any point on the circle, on the line PQ, OP is the shortest. Okay? OP is the shortest. And as I have told you already, we know that the shortest segment that can be drawn from a given point to a given line, from a given point to a given line is the perpendicular from the given point to the given line, hence OP perpendicular MN. Now in Hindi, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. वृत्त की किसी स्पर्श रेखा तथा त्रिज्या के बीच बनने वाला कोण 90 डिग्री का होता है। अब हमने इसमें OQ, OP त्रिज्या है, MN जो इसकी टेंजेंट है, और यहां से कोई Q पॉइंट MN पे लिया तथा OQ को मिला दिया। ठीक है ना। अब OQ वृत्त के बाहर स्थित है, OP पूरी रेडियस है, इसलिए OQ बड़ी है OP से। ये बात हमें समझ में आना चाहिए कि OQ बड़ी है। और जैसे जैसे इस वृत्त पे हम कई लाइनें खींचते जाएंगे, ये सारी लाइनें जो MN पर आएंगी वो OP से बड़ी होगी। इस प्रकार सबसे छोटी लाइन OP होगी। और हम जानते हैं कि अगर किसी बाह्य बिंदु से किसी वृत्त पर, किसी बाह्य बिंदु से किसी रेखा पर जो सबसे छोटी लाइन आती है, जो सबसे छोटी लाइन होती है वो लंब होती है, इसलिए ये OP MN पर लंब है। बस